Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, today we will start our new chapter number 3, creating tables in MS Word. But before that, we will recall what we have learned up till now in previous chapters. In chapter number 1, that is Now Know Your Computer, we have learned IPO cycle, what is an internet concept. In chapter number 2, that is MS Office, we studied components of MS Office and MS Office window. Second, why we use MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint. In chapter number 6, we have learned Introduction to MS Excel. How to open MS Excel, some important terms in MS Excel, cell alignment, opening and closing MS Excel. Now, in chapter number 3, we will learn how to create tables in MS Word. MS Word is a tool which we use to create professional looking documents. The documents can include text, graphics, tables, clip art, borders, shading, etc. Students, MS Word is made by the company Microsoft. Its purpose is to allow users to type and save documents. First, we will see how to create tables in MS Word. Chapter number 3, page number 28, Introduction. Now first we will do reading from your book and then we will do the practical. Creating tables in MS Word 2007. Learning objective. You will learn about creating tables in MS Word 2007. Modifying tables in MS Word 2007. Formatting tables in MS Word 2007. First is how to create tables in MS Word. MS Word allows us to create tables in the form of rows and columns. Modifying table means that we can make changes in the table that we have created. We can delete that table. We can insert more rows and columns to our table. This is called modifying tables. Third one is formatting tables in MS Word. Formatting tables means we can format our table, we can give border to our table, shading, colors. We can do formatting in our tables. Introduction. Tables are used to present a given data in the form of rows and columns. This is definition of table. Tables are used to present a given data in the form of rows and columns. It is very useful in organizing and presenting data in an effective way. We use tables so that we can organize and present our data in an easy way that is useful to us. For example, if you want to maintain the details of your friends, then you can use this feature of MS Word. Students, it is very useful for you to use tables so that you can save your friends' detail, or you can make your mark sheet, or you can store your telephone number. So in many ways, tables are very useful. Now we will see table is made up of rows and columns, and we have learned that row is the horizontal series of cells in a table. Table 3.1, as you can see, these are the horizontal rows in our table. A column is the vertical series of cells, and these are vertical series: student name, English marks, science marks. These are all columns. When we intersect row and columns, it makes a rectangular box called a cell. The intersection of a row and column makes a rectangular box called cell. As you can see in table 3.1, the red one is one cell. Seema is one cell. Salim is one cell. 89, 90, all these are cells. When we combine rows and columns, it forms a cell. Fact file, page number 28. Creating tables is important to manage database. You will learn about database management in higher classes. Students, we use database to manage large amount of data, and MS Word provide us this opportunity by using its different features. Now we will see how many ways MS Word provide us to create tables. There are 3 ways to create tables in MS Word. How many ways? 3 ways to create tables in MS Word 2007. So students, there are 3 ways to create table in MS Word 2007. First one is using insert table grid. Second is using insert table option. Third is using draw table option. Again we will recall. First one is using insert table grid. Second is using insert table option. Third is using draw table option. There are 3 ways to create table in MS Word 2007. First one is using insert table grid. Second is using insert table option. Third is using draw table option. Now one by one we will see how to use all these 3 options. First one is using insert table grid. First you will click on insert tab, table group, table drop down list, insert table grid. Figure 3.1. As you can see, first we will click on insert tab, then insert table option. When we click on insert table, table group, table drop down list, insert table option. Go to insert tab, table group, table drop down list. You will see this table grid will open. We will, with the help of mouse, select how number of rows and number of columns that we want to draw. So as you can see here students, first we will click on insert, then table drop down list. When we click on table drop down list, insert table grid open. We will select number of rows and number of columns that we want to draw with the help of mouse. This is our first option, using insert table grid. In that, so students, as you can see, the horizontal series are called row and vertical series are called column. using insert table grid. We have created table using insert table grid. Click on insert tab, then table group. Second, we have using insert table option. Go to insert tab, table group, table drop down list, insert table option. Figure 3.1 insert table option. We will click on insert tab, table, then insert table option. When we click on insert table option, they will ask you, a dialog box will open, number of columns and number of rows that you want to insert. Suppose I want 5 columns and 2 rows. Then I will click on OK. Two rows and 5 columns using insert table option. Third one is using draw table option. We will click on insert tab, table option, then draw table option. When we click on draw table option, mouse pointer changes to a pencil so that we can draw number of rows and number of columns. So there are 3 ways to create tables in MS Word using insert table grid, using insert table option. Third one is using draw table option. Students, now you will practice this practical at home. You will draw table using all these 3 options as homework.